I have some of the hottest pieces for you when it comes to summer, pieces that are actually wearable. And today we're doing it in the color palette of red, which is perfect for summer, 4th of July, barbecues, festivities, and so many things. And if you've been here, you know that my favorite color to wear is red. So I'm obsessed with these pieces. Everything's linked down below. And if you're watching from your TV or iPad, you can scan the QR code on screen. It'll take you to everything in this video. And I am 5'7". Everything I purchased is in a size small, and I have 4 children ages 5 through 12. Now, if you don't love the color red, almost all of these pieces do come in various different color options. We're gonna start off with some really cute tops. This red and white off the shoulder polka dot one. I also love the little cinch here at the waist, so you could leave this untucked, but you could also tuck it in, which is the way that I prefer. This feels so nice and stretchy. It's so cute. In fact, I made an entire polka dot playlist on my Amazon storefront, amazon.com/shop/AndreaJean1. If you click lists, you can see all the lists that I've ever made here for YouTube and on Instagram. And if you click photos, sneak peek here, you can see everything that I have ever worn here on YouTube with easy clickable links as well. So it's a perfect way to shop. But I'm just obsessed with this red and white off the shoulder polka dot top, perfect for a date night, perfect for a lunch or brunch or running errands, basically anything. This fun little top kind of is giving me peplum vibes. It is so cool. It is nice and stretchy. I also love the cap sleeve on this. This looks fantastic paired with white shorts, a white skirt, a white capris. Everything about this is just so fun. You've seen this top before, but here it is in the checkered red and white version. This goes with so many different things. The throw and go top that is perfect for those super hot summer days. You can really elevate this top if you want to make it great for a brunch or a date night, but you can also keep it super casual for the soccer field or for the baseball field. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this top so much. I bought it in the black version, which I showed in a previous video, so you know your girl had to get it in the fire engine red version. This is by the brand Zeska. I love the gold hardware here on the shoulder. The off the shoulder detail just gives it an added touch of beauty and elegance, and you can really showcase some of your favorite jewelry that way. Put some nice shimmer on here, especially in the summertime, perfect for a date night. In fact, I have a date night coming up here, and I'm thinking that I might just wear this one. This is another fun top off the shoulder. This is more sporty in my opinion, but if you are by the lakes or by the beach or any sort of summery resort wear, this could be really cute as a date night top as well. Again, it all depends on the accessories, the shoe, and the handbag that you pair this with, but it could be very sporty as well. You're going to a baseball game, you're running errands, you're just out and about in the summer, and you still want to look cute and put together without having to put a ton of effort in. This top is great. It is nice and lightweight. Super quick, if you are enjoying this video, will you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button. Loving this eyelet top. I've shown this in previous videos, I think in a blue color, maybe in a green color. Here it is. It's by Pretty Garden in the beautiful red color. We have some functional buttons here, so you can button up a little bit more should you want to, or button down and showcase some of your favorite jewelry. I love the puff sleeves on this. This is nice, lightweight, and airy. I love this. It's effortless. If you want to eat your heart out, maybe you just want something not so skin tight, this is the perfect top. Okay, this next one, I saw it on the hanger. I was not impressed, but I put it on and I fell in love. This peplum top, I love how this fits. I love the quality of material and how it feels on the body. I also love the v-neck. This is in the red and white version as well, but it's sort of giving me salmon undertones, if you will. And it has this really nice embroidered detail here. Everything about this just screams so fun and beautiful. I can wear this for so many different things. It has these nice faux wood buttons on the front as well, so you could really button this down should you want to. Again, the perfect top if you're not wanting something super skin tight, you just want a little wiggle room, especially in that waistline area. Now this next top is so fun in this gorgeous red color. Look at the detail here on the sleeve and also down here on the bottom hem. I just love this. Again, gorgeous paired with white, but you could also do a black or a gray. Lots of breathing room in this, feeling very comfortable, but also very chic and elegant. This next halter tank top, if you will, I showed this in a previous video, but in a different color. I believe it was a chocolate brown color. We have this beautiful gold hardware here. This is also giving you a little bit of wiggle room in that waistline area. Because of the cut of this halter top, I wouldn't necessarily tuck it in. I think it looks better untucked. This is by the brand Pretty Garden, which I love, and it's nice and stretchy. You can showcase your ladies here should you want to, if you have them. Nice comfortable tie here at the neck as well. This just looks so beautiful. Only a couple more tops and then we're going to move on to some other fun red pieces. pieces for this summer. This next top is by the brand Zeska. I'm loving this plaid peplum top with the beautiful bows here on the front. I also love there's a little bit of V-neck on there. The straps are a little bit thicker so you can wear one of your most comfortable bras should you want to. Very comfortable, screaming summer barbecues and picnics and just being outside and having fun. This next tank top I love. This is by the brand Success. If I'm remembering correctly, I purchased this in the white version as well. I love the halter here. It also has these built-in pads, which I opt to keep in, and I'm grateful for because I am flat-chested, so it kind of gives me a little something, if you know what I mean. But you can certainly remove those. I love the length on this, so you can tuck it in should you want to. You can really do a lot with this top. Very sporty, but also very elevated. I would wear this for a date night, especially this beautiful red color. Just pops, just screams like I'm in charge, I am powerful, like I'm living my best life. At least that's how I feel when I'm wearing red. Let's move into some really fun sporty dresses. I love every single one of these because they're so comfortable, and again, in my favorite color. We have the crisscross back here with the spaghetti straps. These straps are adjustable. This comes with pads on the inside, which you can remove, and it does have the built-in shorts. So this is a very nice, beautiful, plain dress. I just love this. This is a dress that I would throw on when I'm done with work, or maybe I'm just running errands and I'm going to do lots of stuff with my kids or go for a walk, but I still want to look cute, or maybe we're going out, you know, to a little dinner outside. I can throw this on, and depending upon where we're going, I can change out my shoes, some ballet flats, even some sneakers if it's a super casual dining experience, but love this. This next red athletic dress, now this is two-piece, which I also like because, ladies, if you are going to the bathroom, all you have to do is pull down the shorts, if you know what I mean. It also has functional pockets, so you can put your phone in there, a lip gloss, and I love the white piping detail all down the side and then also along the neckline, and it also has the T-back here. It has built-in pads, which is again very nice, great stretchy and high quality material. This feels so good. This next red dress, beautiful, very comfortable, also has the built-in pads, which I love, and then the built-in shorts. What's different about this one is the neckline on this and the back. So gorgeous. I love every single one of these athletic dresses. They're all slightly different, but they feel very comfortable. She's so beautiful. Let's switch gears. Here's something very effortless when it comes to summer. We have this in our striped red and white. This is just a long maxi dress. It has the pockets. It's very stretchy. It's very forgiving on the body. If you wanted to showcase your waistline a little bit more, you certainly could belt this. A nice rattan belt, I think, would look beautiful, or a white belt, depending upon where you're going. This would be great as a swimsuit cover up. You're going to the pool, you're at the beach, you just want to throw something on, and you're going to lunch. Put your most comfortable flip-flops on and you are ready to go. The most perfect t-shirt dress. This next little number here, so fun. Beautiful skirt, nice and stretchy. It has the pockets, the beautiful plaid detail, very lightweight and just sort of silky on the body, if you know what I mean. And then this beautiful top, which we've seen before. It has the faux buttons here on the back. You can tuck this top in, you can leave it completely open. This two-piece set right here is giving me timeless vibes. This next number here, I thought it was a romper, but it's actually a dress, and I still love, you know, I love me a good romper. Look at this beautiful neckline. It has the gorgeous floral detail, and I also love here that it cinches a bit at the waist, so this could appear as if it's a two-piece set, but it's actually all in one. Such a beautiful red number. This is great for the 4th of July or barbecuing. You wear it with tennis shoes. You can wear it for a date night or lunch or brunch. Nice ruffle detail here at the bottom hem, which just gives it a little bit more fun girly kick. The basic yet understated, beautiful, sort of a mini dress, if you will, and it's just in this red and white stripe. Nothing over the top about this, but you can really make this super cute. I love it paired with white sneakers, maybe a white baseball hat, but you could really elevate this with a white sun hat, if you will, a really cute pair of wedge sandals. Maybe you want to belt it, maybe you want to leave it completely open. There's a lot that you can do with these particular types of dresses. This next little fun number, I loved it on the hanger, and I thought, well, will I love it when I put it on? And I do, my friend. Nice spaghetti straps, which are fully adjustable. This is so comfortable. This is a romper, which is really fun. So if you're getting in and out of places, or maybe you're sitting at a high top table and you have a bit of a heel on or a wedge on, you just, you know, it's nice to be a little bit more covered, if you know what I mean. What I also love about these particular tops and this pattern is if you are flat chested like myself, it sort of gives you a bit of appearance of, I don't know, having something. It sort of can be a little deceiving waving in that way, if you know what I mean. Very fun, very flowy. Oh, we're getting down there, and I'm so sad because, again, my favorite color, this two-piece set. I'm pretty confident I showed this in a previous video in an alternative color. You know your girl, if she loves a piece, I want it in every single color. Nice adjustable waist with a fully functional tie. It has the built-in shorts, so again, very comfortable but casual as well. In this tank, I love the thicker straps because you can wear your most comfortable bra. You can leave this completely undone, airy, effortless, but you can tuck it in a little bit more if you wanted a little more interest. You want to show off your waistline. Maybe you just want it to look a little bit more elevated. You can never go wrong with these two-piece sets. Oh, this next red athletic dress. In fact, I put it on and my 12-year-old daughter was like, Mom, you look really good in that dress. I like that dress. And I was like, yeah, girl. This is by the brand Quinson. Oh, how fun is that? This one does not have the built-in bra, which is totally fine because you get to pick your favorite bra that you like to wear that is most comfortable. I love the zipper detail here as well. You can zip this down a little bit more if you want to showcase your girls, if you know what I mean. I also love the collar on this. So if you are going golfing or you are playing tennis or you're at the country club, this would be the perfect gorgeous dress. But if you're just out and about enjoying life, having a dinner, having a brunch, this also looks very chic. Nice stretchy material, feels so good on the body. I did not want to take this one off. Another two-piece set here for you. I love that because it just makes getting ready so easy. You don't even have to think about it. You just grab it and you are ready to go. Hence why I love rompers because, well, they look really cute as well. And oftentimes you can show off some legs should you want to. But this is a nice, comfortable t-shirt and it came with this gorgeous skirt with a very forgiving waistband. Very stretchy, very comfortable. You know I love that. It also has the pockets here on the side, which is fun. There's so much that you can do when it comes to this. This beautiful bright red dress. It's sort of giving me an orange vibe as well, but I'm going to classify it in the red category. I love the smocking here because with this particular style, oftentimes I do not even need to wear a bra. I can just wear some nippies because of the pattern material. Just kind of covers everything up really nicely. This is by the brand Pretty Garden, which I love because there are so many different color options and sizing options. And if you haven't, make sure you check out my Amazon storefront, amazon.com/shop/AndreaJean1. Click on photos because you can shop every single look that I have worn here on YouTube so easily. I love the spaghetti straps on here and I love the maxi length on this dress. It is double lined, yet it's still lightweight enough and perfect for summer. This is such a beautiful high-end look for less. And last but not least, this gorgeous baby doll red romper. You know that I love that, so I had to save the best for last. I love the gorgeous detail here. The added interest by the neckline and the shoulders, a little bit of that puff. Has a beautiful tie in the back so you can cinch your waist or make it a little bit looser depending upon how you're feeling. And if you want to showcase a little bit of leg, this romper is perfect and it's just stunning in this beautiful red color. Let me know your favorite piece down below in that comments box and we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.